say hey?
Sure.
Jeff?
Hey, Ronald.
What's up? On the back.
I was checking out the property.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Or are you taking over?
Well, I already have it. What is going on, YouTube? Jeff Weibel here, and I am back at my 22-unit building here. Let's see the progress. I haven't been here in a while. If you've seen the previous videos, you can go back and watch those. But let's check out the progress that I have going on at this building right now. First thing I'm noticing, we have the sign down, and we got Andrew's sign up here. He's renting it from us. Hi.
Welcome to our Chatham shop.
You gotta always be on camera with me.
I love it.
Okay, perfect.
I love that camera face that they say.
Absolutely.
Maybe.
We want time lapse.
Maybe some YouTube star. You watch this stuff.
Exactly. Is this all our supply?
Yeah. And we brought some of these gray tiles back to St. Thomas and used them on the landing. We had 40 boxes of this that we had to use over at the Bing Group unit that we had to renovate and redo all the flooring. So that's where we got the flooring for that unit, was out of this stock.
Can we go walk ABC here? You got the keys? Yeah. So this place has 2 commercial components and 20 residential units. At one point, this side of the building was not connected to this side of the building right here. And they added this part right here, and this becomes the other commercial unit we have here. One of our managers is utilizing. What's going on in here? Stuff. Back here's all the residential. And we just got new doors here installed because we want security. We don't want anyone that's not supposed to be here going in. So we paid for these doors here. If you remember some of the previous videos, we had all these trees here that were going onto the roofs here. Hello, kitty. And looks like we got those trimmed because we didn't want the water damage up here on the roof. You got time?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm here for you today.
Okay, well, when
Do you
start
want to go in?
yeah,
Okay.
but I don't know if we have apartments to see in them.
No. So
Okay. Any apartments to see in any of these?
C is
Okay.
one that we're renovating.
So we'll go into A for a sec. I just want to see about the laundry here. So, are we currently using right now?
Use pre-laundry. So
I want to eliminate that for July 1st. So these.
the window and door guys are not taking their garbage. They were at the front doors. These are the ones that got changed out.
yeah. Why don't we put them in your shop?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. My phone's being used, so.
I got it. That's
Existing tenants, right?
yeah.
And they own them.
I could show you some stuff out there too.
Good or bad?
Maybe one of the reasons why we have a squirrel problem.
Oh yeah.
There was feeders on the windows.
Yeah, we're not gonna be locked out here. Yeah, we would be.
There's no one down here.
Where is it?
Right down there, see this feeder on the window? So there was a few
Oh.
of them in the winter time, and they're on both sides of the building.
You know, it's kind of useless now, but there's all that square footage hidden in there.
Right.
You could punch through on some of these on turnover, and there could be a
Use
closet.
that as a laundry room.
Well, yeah, in-suite laundry if you
Right.
wanted to do it, yeah.
It takes away, well, most of these units have a little mechanical room where their hot water
Yeah.
tank is. So I'll show you when we go in unit
See,
108, that's
yeah.
what we use for the laundry.
Yep.
These holes have been cut recently, probably for the squirrel problem, but I've been up in that attic. And
Is this
all
where you
through
go?
the whole
This is
thing.
where you go up, or you go up from your
I
unit?
went up from here, and then I went up from C, and then I walked through the whole thing end to end. And like I said, I didn't see any nests. I didn't see any, like I seen some droppings, but not a ton,
Right.
right? And I only saw 2 spots where there was a couple old nuts and some droppings. So no nest though, which was weird, because if they were living up there, they'd have made a nest.
So are we still paying for that contract?
I hope not.
Hey guys.
Hi. Look at you with your fancy camera.
Camera woman.
This unit, when you first walked in, there was a big closet right
Yeah.
here. So we took the closet out and framed up the wall so we could bring the plumbing through there. It's better just to continue it on instead of having that little jot out. And then you gotta strap the ceilings here to get the pot lights in, because there was just one light there and one light in the hallway. The bedrooms didn't have any lights. So to run wires and everything, it's just way easier to do it this way and a lot cheaper. So yeah, and then there was 2 walls here. We took these ones out so it opens up the kitchen to the living room. I don't think we really need an island because the cabinets are gonna go, the fridge goes to here to here, and then the rest of this is gonna be cabinets, right? And the stove will be at the end. So you have enough cabinets.
Yeah, but sometimes they eat at it though.
Right.
So,
So we can put an island in here.
because where would they sit? Like living room, TV here, couch kind of here.
Yeah, or they could be like, yeah, couch here, TV there.
Yeah, and then a table
Could do
there.
a table there, like a desk for them to work at or something like that. We can also make the kitchen go further. So I don't know if you looked at the videos or not, but at Taylor and Sarah, we ran the cabinets a little bit longer and we made a little seating area for them. So there's no bottom cabinet and the countertop goes right across.
Right.
So there is a little seating area depending on what you want to use it for. It could be for eating, it could be for homework, it could be for laundry. Lots of different things you could use it for. And then this is where the mechanical area is.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Laundry.
Broke up the floor and brought it over to the vanity. So that way the laundry could go in there. And then you saw the bathroom layout before.
Mm-hmm.
The shower was right here. The toilet was over here, and then the vanity, which didn't make any sense for anything. And the ceiling height was right here.
Oh yeah.
So just by, just doing a little bit of plumbing work, we got everything up about 10 inches. So gives you a lot more headroom, especially in your shower.
Good job,
This
plumber.
will be a lot different. Yeah, it's handy being a plumber sometimes.
Yeah. And then 2 beds.
And then, the 2 bedrooms, and we've strapped the ceilings again, so that way
Oh
fire alarms and lighting can go in.
Nice.
So they'll look a lot more up to date. Especially with lights. Lights are handy.
Second bedroom, closet. All right.
So they had sliders on before. We've been changing them out to bifolds. The sliders always fall off, right? We don't want to be in here fixing them for no apparent reason at all. So put a bifold on and that gets rid of that problem. We've been trying to keep as many of the doors as possible because doors are expensive.
Mm-hmm.
So in most cases, if there's a good door at all, we just
Paint
buy
it.
flat ones.
Oh.
Match it.
Yeah.
Right, 'cause there's no door here, this one was destroyed, right? So,
Yeah.
but if you have 2 good doors and you only need to buy 2 other ones to match, then it's better than buying 4 or 6.
Right. Which property?
Ingersoll.
And then we haven't done anything in the front 4 residential ones yet recently, right?
Yeah, that upper, the front building, I've never even been up there.
Okay. Yeah.
So, we've never
They're big,
had
but yeah.
anybody move out, but I did notice in one of your first videos
Yeah.
that you took, that was where you were up at.
Yep.
Right, so
Yep.
I did get to see them from that. I didn't subscribe to the show, but I
You
did
did
watch
not
it. I
subscribe?
didn't subscribe, but I watched it. Why pay when you can watch it?
Oh, yeah. Joining. No, you can subscribe for free. You
Right.
can join the channel for money.
Well, see, I don't know too much about these things. I'm new to technology.
Are they using C, you think, or?
Sea laundry.
Yeah.
This is the one that's been used the most.
Oh.
Not only by tenants, but by people coming in and sleeping in here in the wintertime.
Oh, it reeks in here.
Yeah.
People
had to be kicked
pissed
out
in
of a
here,
few
I think.
times. Definitely. This is the one that the guy had to be
Oh.
kicked out of. And this is one of the accesses here. This is where I started my adventure in the attics.
Mm-hmm.
So from here I can get all the way to the next opening, and then from that opening to the very end.
We'll see the parking lot a bit. Did we fix that one siding over here? No, there'd be a giant hole. Looks like it's fixed, yeah. Oh no, right there, it's cracked
Where?
still. Or that one's cracked, right here.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
So no.
Oh yeah. Squirrel feeder here.
Yeah, we filled in a couple of the cinder block holes
We
back
put those,
here.
because look, you have Harry Gates in here too.
Yeah.
So we put those in.
Yeah.
So it's smart move.
It is a smart move.
But remember the units that we saw yesterday?
Yeah.
Street? That would be a good alternative to having to fix those old ones down there all the time.
Yeah.
Watch out, it's dog shit alley back.
Oh. So it's always nice to come and check out your buildings. I haven't been here in a while. It's probably been since August, and now checking this out again. We do Zoom calls all the time to see what's going on here, but we have a lot of properties. So this is just one. This is 22 units. I have over 250 units with my partners, Mitt and Pure Sand. You can follow their channels here. I'll link them right here. And this one's been great. It's our first purchase at Chatham.
You want to say hey,
Sure.
Chad?
Hey, Ronald.
What's up on the back?
That
I
coming
was
apart?
checking out the property.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Or are you taking over?
Well, I already have it. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Where does he park that?
In his unit.
Water?
Vodka water?
No, I don't have booze.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Sorry.
Thank you. So we bought this place for $2.3 million, and after renovating a lot of those residential units, didn't get to see the finished product today, just some of the ones we were actually renovating. It's now been appraised for $3.725 million right now. So that's what it's been appraised for. It's a successful burr. So if you like that and you want to stick around on the channel and watch more videos like this, see me going to my properties, make sure you guys hit the like button, you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.